Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is vtwin skins. Today we're going back to our Nardo Silverado project, and at this point we're giving it a complete personality change with a custom partial wrap. We're going to take you guys behind the scenes on a few key steps that are crucial for a flawless finish and show you why even a partial wrap can make a massive impact. Let's dive in. First off, we are on the roof, and this is where precision is absolutely everything. So you see this little guy here that I am taping around, this black thing. This is the satellite antenna, and it's the perfect example of why a template works so well, and it's so important. So we're not just eyeballing this. We're using a custom-made template that I'm doing live here on camera to ensure that the vinyl material fits perfectly around it. So our template allows us to get the shape and size exact. We're gonna cut it out beforehand, which means no guessing games and a clean professional edge every single time. It saves time and, more importantly, prevents any damage to the vehicle's finish. Imagine trying to freehand this with a razor blade. That's a risk that we are just not willing to take. So here, after the sun has died down, taking the sting away out of South Florida, again, we are in Miami, still 91 degrees outside. Now I'm working my template as I had cut it out. The template not only guarantees our perfect fit, but also a seamless installation where we have no wrinkles, no bubbles around the antenna, just a smooth professional finish that looks like it came right from the factory. And it's these small details that separate a good wrap from a great wrap. Now, let's talk about the big picture. When you're wrapping a vehicle this size, this is a full-size truck, especially a long flat surface like the hood or the roof here, or the side of the truck even, you can't just slap one massive sheet of vinyl on it. You have to bring these together in sections. This is where using multiple pieces becomes critical. So think of it like this. A single giant sheet of vinyl is much harder to control. It's more likely to wrinkle, bubble, or stretch improperly. By breaking the job down into smaller, more manageable sections, we can maintain the integrity of the material and ensure a much smoother, more precise application. Each piece is meticulously aligned and overlapped just enough to create an invisible seam. The seams are strategically placed in areas that are less noticeable, like along the body lines. Here specifically on this truck, by the way, this is a lifted truck. I don't know if you've noticed, I'm getting on and off of ladders. It is much higher than a regular truck, making this a lot more difficult, but at least this is gonna help us in hiding seams. Not everyone is gonna have a bird's eye view of the roof of this vehicle. Our goal is for the final product to look like it's one continuous painted surface. It's a combination of skill, technique, and understanding the properties of the vinyl itself. It's the only way to achieve a truly professional, lasting result on a canvas this large. So Why go for a partial wrap? Well, as you can see here, the impact is undeniable. The hood and the roof are some of the most visible parts on a vehicle. Not this one because it's so high, but the wrap on these two areas alone completely transform its look. It's a fantastic entry point for anyone considering a custom wrap. A full wrap can be a big commitment, both in terms of time and budget, but a partial wrap focusing on the hood and roof gives you all the benefits of a custom look without the full investment. It's a great way to test the waters, express your style, and give your truck a unique edge. Think of it as the power parts. The hood and the roof are the two areas that catch the most eyes. Whether you're parked at a show or driving down the street, it completely changes the silhouette of the vehicle and makes it stand out from every other Silverado on the road. It's a statement and a surprisingly affordable one at that. And that's a wrap on our Chevy Silverado roof. From the precision of our templates to the strategic use of multi-piece application, and finally, the incredible impact of a partial wrap, we've shown you why a custom vinyl job is a fantastic way to upgrade your ride. If you're interested in giving your vehicle a fresh look, a partial wrap is a perfect place to start. Coming up next, we will handle the front bumper and the grille. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.